Okay, seriousness. Okay, so you know how I said that I was starting Fendi, right? Oh. Well, he's texting me, like, not trying to sound girly, but like, mean things, you know? Because, like, hit, one of my friends asked him if he liked me, and she told me that he said, yeah, only if I was older, because he is a year older than me. And so I was excited about that, so I told my friends, and I guess he heard it too. And so he's all pissed at me now. And then, like, on Facebook, my friends dared me to make this picture of me and him together. Like, you know, I put, like, a separate picture and another picture and, like, combined it. Like on Picnic or whatever that's called. And I did that, and they dared me to put it as my profile picture, and I did. And he's all pissed at me, cussing at me and stuff. And I really don't know what to do. Like, that is, like, really rude. I don't mean to, like, tell y'all all of this, but, like, I can't get off my mind, you know? Yes, I'm in my brother's room again. My computer doesn't do this stuff or whatever. And the little laptop about yay big. Anyways, yeah, so I really don't know what to do. Like, I don't know if I can show two people right here. Look, like, I don't know if you can read that. It says, you don't have to be, I don't know, he doesn't talk right, I guess. You don't have to be, is just you're as dumb. You're dumb as to start a lie no one would believe. And I didn't start anything. He's all saying that he hates me and all that. So I really don't know what to do. And I don't really know what to turn to because, yeah. So, what are you going to tell me? Please do in the comments, I guess. Like any other person would say. But, like, yeah, I wouldn't say threatening, but in a way, I guess. I don't know. So, what should I do? I have no